Hey guys, and welcome back to Ultra Game World. And today we are building a $600 gaming PC. This gaming PC is going to be powered by the Ryzen 1600AF. Now this is a 6-core, 12-thread processor. We are using the B450 Aorus Elite motherboard. It's going to have all the features that we need. It's B450, so it will be capable of running our Ryzen 1600AF. And for the memory, we will be using Corsair Vengeance 16GB of 3000 MHz DDR4 RAM. And our storage will be a 1TB NVMe drive from TCSunbow. This drive is plenty enough for all our games. Talking of games, we've got an RX 580 4GB. This is a really solid 1080p card. Sort of on the medium to low level settings, but you could maybe push high if you're willing to accept 30 FPS. But if you want 60 FPS for most 1080p games, I'd probably say medium to low settings. Powering all that is our PSU. It's from Seasonic. It's the 550 S12. 550 watts is more than enough for our gaming system. Seasonic is a really reputable brand, so I'm really happy to go with this. Last up is the Corsair 220T RGB Airflow case. Now this case is ATX. It's got all the features we need with the RGB at the front. It's got the controller at the back for our RGB, and it just looks great to me. And Corsair is a great brand as well, so I'm more than happy to go with this case. So Michael, stop messing around, get on with the build. Let's go.